Here we are for sale our March 2024 on a 24 plate Ford Transit Custom. This is the 280 model, which means it's got a 2.8 tonne gross vehicle weight. This one's got the 2 litre EcoBlue Euro 6 diesel engine producing 136 PS, which is roughly 136 brake horsepower. That is accompanied with a 6-speed manual gearbox. And this is a short wheelbase limited panel van finished in the fantastic metallic magnetic grey. And what we're going to do in this video is have a little walk around. I'll show you the spec that you get on a Ford Transit Custom Limited of this age. I'll talk you through all the modifications that we've done to it during our preparation and also what we've done to it mechanically during our preparation as well, seeing as the vehicle is currently available for sale with us here at Bridgend Van Centre. So starting in then at the rear of the van, we can see that this one is specced with rear barn doors. So barn doors are 2 doors which open in that sort of fashion. On a Limited, of course, you get a number of elements which come colour coded in the body colour. That includes things like the door handles, bumpers, which really does make a big difference to the overall look of the van, especially when you add these nice gloss black bits that we have here. So talking of which, we've got this full gloss black low line aero kit on here. So that includes this lower rear splitter here on the rear bumper, the side skirts, also the splitter around the front. At the top of the rear doors then we can also see there's a nice set of gloss black rear spoilers as well. It just totally transforms the van, especially on this newer style Transit Custom. You've got these nice gloss black rear lights, the gloss black badging, and I think that all ties in very nicely indeed. In terms of condition here then at the rear of the vehicle, of course, like all of our vans, this has been fully detailed. So paintwork is absolutely smooth as silk. This has been completely decontaminated, machine polished, giving you this incredible finish, which you can see here. It looks absolutely stunning at the back of the van. You can also see then you've got parking sensors. You get front and rear parking sensors as standard on Limited, and on the Limiteds of this age you also get a reversing camera as standard as well. A couple of tiny little marks just here to the rear bumper, but otherwise it's effectively faultless here at the back, looking very nice indeed. If we open up the rear doors then, we can start to have a look inside the back of the van here. So rear doors on these now have a 2-stage hinge, so it will sort of lock in place there at 90 degrees, but if you give it a firm push, it will push past that onto the second stage of the hinge and open right out to its full 180 degree position. And of course you can do exactly the same with the other door as well. Inside the back of the van then, this has been completely freshly ply lined in the back of here. So this is something we do on the vast majority of vans which come into stock with us for 2 reasons really. Well, one is of course for the look. It looks nice and fresh and clean and tidy, but of course it gives you maximum protection as well. So if you've got cargo moving around in here in the back of the van, it's not going to cause a nasty outward dent. Inside the back then, you've got these nice LED load lights, and you'll have seen these 2 came on a little bit after, because there's a little switch inside here where you can toggle those on and off as you please. But yeah, so plenty of light inside the back of there. But this is sort of the difference with us, is having a look and paying close attention here to the sort of details in here which are often overlooked, should I say. So just having a look at the condition here, these exposed painted areas, and just how clean and tidy this is, how the ply line has been done. It's been nicely siliconed in around the outside. Details here, looking at the floor. This is all looking absolutely spot on here as well. And the condition of the bulkhead, which is all clean and straight and looking as it should do. If we shut the doors then, we'll continue to go around the outside of the vehicle. So during our preparation, this van has been put right through our van specialist workshop, which is Bridgend Van Care, which is part of our group of companies, which is just up the road, a few hundred yards. But this has been right through there, and that has had a full vehicle health check. So they go through a multi-point check on the vehicle, making sure that everything is working as it should and operating correctly. But crucially, this van has had a full service. So full service with us is all of the filters. It's not just an oil filter and a pollen filter. It is all the filters. That's an air filter, fuel filter, the whole lot has all been changed. The vehicle has got a clean bill of health, fresh, full service, all ready to go. Looking here then down the passenger side of the vehicle, you can just see how clean and straight that is as well, looking absolutely lovely down the side of there. In terms of the body styling here, just gives you another look then at the low line aero kit, which is down here. There's gloss black side skirt. You've also got a nice set of roof bars just there as well, and these 20-inch fantastic alloy wheels, which are looking absolutely lovely there, which are all brand new as well. Opening up the side loading door, this gives you another aspect then of the load space from this side. So having again a look at the bulkhead, you've got the lower hatch here, which is on a magnet, so you can open that, and that gives you access then right the way through underneath the passenger seats, so it gives you a much longer load length just there. But again, just paying close attention to the condition inside here. It's looking very, very nice indeed. You'll also notice on the door handles these little dimples just here. So the van has got a keyless entry, keyless locking, and also keyless start. So I'm driving one of these myself at the moment. I'm absolutely loving that. Just being able to have your key in your pocket, you walk up to the vehicle, put your hand behind the door handle like that, and it will unlock that door. And when you want to walk away from it, press the little tab just there, and it completely locks the vehicle. I absolutely love that. Feels very, very modern in a vehicle now, and almost grow to expect it. Having a look inside the cab here, you can see the condition of the seats. All looking absolutely spot on, even underneath the passenger seats. I always mention this in these videos. Again, it's just the difference with us is the level of attention to detail that we go to when we're preparing these vans. Even these bits that you wouldn't necessarily initially see, all of that is completely prepared and cleaned. Same with the fold down tray in the center there. Some extra storage there for some paperwork. But yeah, having a look at the dashboard, it's all looking very nice. A couple of very sort of light little marks here just to the plastic on the glove box. But generally speaking, not much to fault inside there. Of course, you get color-coded wing mirrors, and then around to the front, you can see these lovely Ford LED headlights with this very nice LED daytime running light there at the top as well. And have a look at the details at the front here. So we've made some nice modifications here. So we've installed this very nice black honeycomb grille. We've got the gloss black canards there around these front air intakes, and then also the front splitter which has been added. And I think when you combine all of that, all those gloss black details, especially on a magnetic grey van like that, I think it looks really, really smart indeed. In terms of condition here at the front, there's a couple of tiny little stone chips which have just, of course, been neatly touched in the correct colour. But generally speaking, there's not much to fault. It's in very, very good order, of course, as you would expect for a 24 plate. And then finally here, then looking down the driver's side, you can see how clean and straight that is down there. There's no signs of any paintwork, any previous repairs. It all looks absolutely original. Mileage on this one, 38,326 miles. And to be completely honest, it presents like a van that has done a lot less than that. It looks, if you said this has done 10,000, I don't think you would bat an eyelid. It looks that good. Driver's seat is all in very good order. Of course, you've got height adjustment here, thigh adjustment there for the front of the seat, or lumbar supports. You've got the driver's armrest, which is on a ratchet, so you can set that to your desired height. You've got auto-activated lights, auto-activated wipers. You've got folding mirrors and, of course, electrically adjustable mirrors. And if we jump inside here, the van is supplied with 2 full remote keys, which, of course, is very nice. On the left-hand side here, then, you can see that you've got your cruise control settings there on the left-hand side and your speed limiter. On the right-hand side, then, you've got your onboard computer controls just there as well. Start the van up, and in the center, then, you've got this fantastic big screen here in front of you, which gives you, of course, DAB radio on here, but crucially, it gives you Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is all absolutely wireless. I think that's a game changer and a big upgrade on these vans, being this nice big, it's over an 11-inch screen here. You can see the dashboard as well. You get this nice sort of digital display here on the dashboard. Feels very, very modern indeed inside. 6-speed manual gearbox. You've got a couple of USB, you've got a normal USB and a USB-C under there, and little fold-down cup holders just there as well. Heated seats, heated windscreen, heated door mirrors, all of that comes as standard on the Limited. If you put the vehicle into reverse, that's where your rear camera is displayed as well. So very, very nice indeed. Shut the van off, jump outside, and just to summarize then, so March 2024 on a 24 plate Ford Transit Custom Limited, 136 brake horsepower, which is translates 136 PS is what they call it, but roughly 136 brake horsepower, short wheelbase, limited van, full styling kit on it, as you've seen, completely detailed, brand new ply lining in the back, and freshly, fully serviced with a full health check as well. So the van is absolutely ready to drive away from here straight away. If you'd like to see the full advert of this vehicle, including the price, the description and the photography, you can head over to our website, bridgendvans.co.uk, which you'll see on the bottom of our number plates. We can deliver our vans nationwide. We can also take cars or vans in part exchange, and we can arrange finance at very competitive rates, whether that be for private individuals or for limited companies. Thank you very much for watching.